Hey there, this is Todd Gross coming at you one more time before capping off yet another great year. And this time around, my partner Paul Pona and I decided to put together something really special for you. We've decided that it was high time to give back to our customers and longtime supporters as our way of saying thanks for yet another successful year. And trust me, you are going to love this. You see, over the next few minutes, I'm going to present you with an incredible opportunity, a positively game-changing opportunity that can take the automation, marketing, and creative capabilities of your business to entirely new levels. And at the same time, saving you a ton of money. And no, I'm not going to be introducing you to one hot new app this time around. In fact, I'm going to be unveiling an incredible suite of proven, top-rated apps developed by the best in the business that's never been offered before and will never be offered again after this offer is up. In fact, just 1 week from the day we officially release it. No kidding, seriously, it will be gone. So pay close attention now and stick with me over the next few minutes. You do not want to miss this. So if you've been trying to increase your profits online, you've probably come to understand the cold, hard fact by now that time is money. Now, I know that's a cliche these days, but let's face it, it's absolutely true. Consider this, for instance. If you're spending, say, 30 hours a week to earn the same amount of money that you could be making by working smarter and for only, say, 10 hours a week, you're literally wasting those other 20 hours each and every week. And if you take a moment to figure out just how much your time is actually worth per hour, then it's easy for you to calculate just how much money that you're wasting too. But that's not all you're losing out on. Why? Because you could be utilizing that wasted time doing other things to build your business even more, so you're making even more money, or just enjoying them with your friends and family while you're still making the same income but with far less work. Now, isn't that why you're running your business online in the first place? And that's why we're here today. Because by tapping into the right apps, the right tools, and the right automation to streamline your work time while increasing your productivity, you'll earn more while working less. And you'll gain a significant edge on the competition. It's that simple. And that's why Paul and I put our heads together and came up with a rather unusual but powerful concept. One that brings together the indisputable value of automation with the value of leveraging your time and saving, well, no, it's even better than that. It's making more money with less work. Then we reached out to some of the top names in app development for the internet marketing space. Now, I'm talking the very best, the creme de la creme, to see if they would like to come aboard with our idea. And the response we received was, in a word, incredible. Not only did practically every one of who we approached with our radical idea agree to jump aboard, they gladly offered up their top-selling apps that we were specifically targeting for this project. Now, trust me, we didn't know exactly what to expect when we approached these guys with our rather unorthodox idea, especially since these apps are all top sellers and still on the market for as much as $47 to $97 each, or even in some cases more. Okay, so I can go on and on with this story, but I think you know how it ends. So let's cut to the chase and get to the end result. What do you think? I'm super excited to introduce you to the Automation Bundle. It's a fully integrated powerhouse suite of some of the world's top-selling internet marketing apps. It will help you automate everything from lead generation, email marketing, video creation, video animation, graphics design, Facebook and social media marketing, webinar marketing, local marketing, search engine optimization, and a whole lot more. Automation Bundle gives you the power to fully automate and reduce the time that you're already spending on necessary tasks for your business to grow and succeed, all without spending a fortune on software, tools, and training. It will save you hundreds of dollars a year in software licenses and subscriptions, and countless hours of work, while helping you increase your profits, all from one easy-to-use, fully integrated dashboard. The idea behind Automation Bundle brought Paul and me together with several of the biggest names in the business. Our mutual goal was to develop a value-packed software suite with easy-to-use, top-rated, and market-proven apps that would complement each other, that's accessible to anyone, thus giving you total marketing and creative power that until now is absolutely unprecedented, especially at such an incredibly low price. With Automation Bundle, now anyone can have a powerful arsenal of tools available at their fingertips on demand to improve their business and productivity. Now, these are proven tools that any marketer, business owner, blogger, and even e-com store owners can utilize whenever it's needed. More importantly, all of these are fully licensed, actively supported, and continuously updated apps, and they're incredibly easy to use, whether you're a seasoned online marketer or a complete newbie. And best of all, you can easily access these powerhouse apps via a single easy-to-use dashboard. That's critical. And you do that through your web browser, nothing to download or install. And here's the thing. We all know that the competition online is brutal these days. Whether you're a business owner, website owner, blogger, or online, social, or affiliate marketer, you know that in the current marketing climate, it's thrive or die out there. By utilizing the power of automation the smart way, you gain a whole new edge to beat the rapidly growing competition. Now imagine this for a moment, creating attention-grabbing animated videos with dynamic talking avatars for any purpose in just minutes instead of hours. Or designing professional graphics for your website, ads, or social media with just a few clicks. Or how about this? Imagine creating dynamic, eye-catching video covers for your Facebook pages and even for your paying clients in mere minutes. Or live streaming, posting, and syndicating your videos to over a dozen sites and social media channels simultaneously with a single click. Or syndicating social posts, blog posts, memes, videos, and other content to over 30 social media channels to gain massive search rankings and traffic with a mouse click. Imagine running unlimited live and/or recorded webinars on demand without ever having to pay subscriptions or hosting fees ever again. Or setting up your Facebook pages to have dynamic, automated, smart messaging to reach out, communicate, and engage your visitors, turning them into leads and sales on complete autopilot. Now, all of this online marketing power is just scratching the surface here. Because as you'll see later, just below this video, there's a whole heck of a lot more that you'll be able to do with the Automation Bundle, guaranteed. In fact, what do you say we take a quick tour right now so you can get an even closer look at just some of the apps that we've gotten together here to help you leverage your time and grow your business even faster and with less work, starting now. Let's start off the tour with a top-selling product that I developed with Bravin Technologies. It's called Designo Pro 2. Now, Designo Pro 2 is a dynamic, easy-to-use vector graphics design app. It is perfect for creating super cool images and logos for websites, videos, social media, and even offline businesses in just minutes. Easily create high-quality logos, headers, banners, and other images with just a few clicks of a mouse. No special skills are necessary. Now, Designo Pro 2 retails for as much as $30. Next, we have Mail Primo. And get this, Mail Primo, created by Dr. Amit Parikh, is actually a complete cloud-based autoresponder platform. You can send unlimited emails to your lists with no monthly subscription fees and or limitations. It's a proven, fully CAN-compliant app that gives you 100% control of your lists and subscribers. You get several state-of-the-art tools and templates which are proven to increase open and click rates and with no additional work or expense. Mail Primo retails for as much as $87.95. Next, there is SendLab. SendLab was created by Joshua Zamora. It's a powerful app that automatically syndicates posts, videos, memes, and other content to over 30 plus different social media sites and channels. So you could get fast search rankings and tons of new visitors. No special skills or knowledge is needed to use this app. Just follow a few easy steps, then click a button, and SendLab, it does the rest. It's super easy to use and could help get your site ranking higher on Google in as little as 48 hours. SendLab retails for as much as $97. Canvas by Dropmock is next, and wait until you hear what this does. It's the easy way to create super slick and professional Facebook video cover images with no special skills needed. And with the included agency license, you could start profiting on day one by offering marketers and businesses alike a killer video cover for their own Facebook pages. And that means a powerful new revenue stream for you with no outsourcing or expensive software needed. Canvas by Dropmock currently retails for as much as $47. Then there's Chit Chat Chimp by Simon and Jeremy, and that's a great app to help boost sales, increase subscribers, and much more by tapping into the power of automated chatbots on your sites and landing pages. Once you set up your dynamic chatbots in just minutes, they can automatically help visitors make buying decisions, handle any sales objections to boost conversions, offer upsells and cross-sells that complements your buyer's purchases, provide personalized recommendations, offer discount or promo codes to help close sales, provide real-time support, and get feedback and insights from your visitors to help you improve, and much, much more. Chit Chat Chimp currently retails for as much as $197 per year. The next is one of my favorites. It's LiveReel from Abby Davridi. It allows you to simultaneously broadcast your live videos on over 15 video platforms and a whole lot more. You could actually broadcast live across Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Periscope, Twitch, MobCrush, and several other video and social media channels. You could also add elements like lower thirds, backgrounds, multilingual closed captioning, and much, much more. LiveReel currently retails for as much as $37.95. Then there's HQ Webinar by Madhav Dunna, and that lets anyone profit from live or recorded webinars using a state-of-the-art peer-to-peer webinar platform, even if you're a total newbie. You can rerun recorded webinars as live webinars with total ease. You get unlimited attendees, unlimited webinar broadcasts, and much, much more. You can also easily run live or recorded webinars for high-paying clients too. It easily integrates with WordPress, Shopify, Leadpages, ClickFunnels, and many, many other platforms. HQ Webinar currently retails for as much as, get this, $97 per month. Visually from Mo Latif and Brett Ingram is a proven social media marketing dynamo that delivers you targeted traffic 100% free, and you get that app too. It allows you to create stunning visual content that delivers just the right messages to social media audiences so you can attract, engage, and convert visitors into customers with total ease and with no ad costs. You get fully customizable visual templates, along with the system that will get your content going viral almost instantly. In just a few minutes each day, you can increase traffic and engagement to your sites and social media, resulting in more leads and sales. It's that simple. Now it's easier than ever to deliver fresh, attention-grabbing content to the masses on complete autopilot. Visually currently retails for as much as $30. Next, we have Sell in Messenger by Jay Sharma and Saransh, and this is huge. It allows you to sell products, services, and add-ons easily through Facebook Messenger. You convert raw visitors into leads and subscribers automatically, and with no additional work once you set everything up. Sell in Messenger chats, engages, and helps you profit from your Facebook page and website visitors on autopilot. Just set it and forget it. You can even use it to leverage Facebook Messenger as your own customer help desk and much, much more. Sell in Messenger currently retails for as much as $97 per year. Easy Spokesperson Creator by the one and only Matt Bush is next. It allows you to create stunning human spokesperson videos with dozens of customizable options. You could choose from dozens of professional spokespersons, including me. You could create amazing HD commercials ready to sell for $100 to $300 each to local businesses and clients. Easy Spokesperson Creator is an amazing piece of software, and it's included in our package. It retails at around $27. And then there's the top-rated Video Builder by Paul Pona and myself. It's a powerful 3D animated avatar creator coupled with a dynamic, flexible, and full-featured video editor. It gives you a total solution to creating attention-grabbing, killer 3D animated and live-action videos with human or animated avatars. Video Builder harnesses the latest technology that takes 3D animation and text-to-speech to entirely new levels. And best of all, it's easy to use with zero learning curve. Video Builder currently retails for as much as $47. Now that's quite a collection of apps, huh? But guess what? There are even more powerful value-packed apps in the Automation Bundle package than what I've just shown you. To see the rest of the incredible apps that are in this amazing suite, just check out below this video when we're done in a few more minutes. Now, I wasn't kidding when I said that the idea behind Automation Bundle was all about leveraging time, saving money, and yes, increasing your profits as a result with automation and value. This is serious power here that any marketer, blogger, or business owner can utilize right out of the gate to increase sales and profits while saving countless hours of valuable time. You get a full license for each app that's included in Automation Bundle with no limits or expiration and with full training and tutorials. And even if you've recently purchased one or more of these apps, I can readily assure you that you'll get unbeatable value from all of the other apps that are in this highly limited package. Make no mistake, with this incredible software suite, you'll have the ability to fully maximize your time while optimizing your marketing efforts, and with far less effort than ever before. Now, you may have even balked at buying one or more of these apps during their respective launches, only to find that their prices increased later and made them even more out of reach. Well, for just a few days during this highly limited offer, you'll be able to take advantage of pricing that has never been seen before on any of these top-rated high-quality apps. And I promise will never be seen again after this offer closes in just 7 short days. Rest assured of that. With this bundle, you may never need to purchase another app for your online marketing activities ever again. Remember, Automation Bundle has seamlessly integrated all of these apps into one easy-to-use dashboard, accessible via any web browser. Simply log into Automation Bundle and you're ready to rumble. No matter what tasks you need to do or what app you'll need to do them, you can securely access your Automation Bundle via your browser, and some of the apps can even be used on mobile devices. And remember, all of these apps are still actively sold, updated, and supported by their developers. They'll keep working to make them even better behind the scenes, seamlessly, and with no disruptions or downtime whatsoever. So now that you have a clear idea of what Automation Bundle can do for you and your business, just check out below this video and get to the really incredible part, the unbelievably low price, which is available only during this highly limited 7-day period. Just 7 days only. This is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to arm your business with apps and powerful software that will pay for themselves over and over again. Think about it. If you purchased all of these top-selling apps separately, it would cost you as much as $47 to $97 each. But for just 7 days, you could get them for an incredibly low price that breaks down to about $3 per app. How crazy is that? This app suite powerhouse, its incredible price, and the undeniable value makes grabbing your Automation Bundle license truly a no-brainer. And yes, as always, we take on all the risk with our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, if Automation Bundle doesn't deliver the undeniable value and time-saving automation that we say it does, no problem. You'll get a full refund with absolutely no questions asked. So seriously, don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Check out the rest of this page and make sure you see all of the other apps that are included in this high-quality, value-packed bundle. Then click the button for instant access at the exclusively, highly limited price before this offer expires in just 7 days. Because when it's gone, it is gone. Consider this our way of giving back and saying thanks for yet another great year. Get your instant access now and let's get your business to whole new levels in 2019. What do you say? This is Todd Gross, and I'll see you soon.